guys, we're back with another video. As I said, we're posting every week. We are not. Next video is going to be a tag video, another one. Just so you know, okay?
Oh, thank you, finally.
So, today we're going to be playing Floor's Lava, and we have 3 seconds to get off the ground, and this floor does count. So, I think we should do it for a while. And the ramp counts. The ramp,
Oh, you almost tagged me there.
I should have done it in casual. Wait, tonight
we want to do like tag as we're doing the Floor's Lava.
Yeah, by the way, the branches do like...
No, I'm done.
Okay. So... Oh, wait, you're ready. Oh, wait, did you think that, like, we cannot touch the ground? No, we could touch the ground, but if someone says Floor's Lava, you cannot.
Wait.
And you only have 3 seconds to get off the ground. And the ramp floor and the flat floor does not count, and the gazebo floor doesn't count.
Alright, Floor's Lava. 3, 2, 1.
By the way, if you say it, you don't have to compete. So.
But I actually have a W strategy.
And the branches sort of count.
But if you fall, you're cooked.
And the stump floor does count on the top too. On my head. Oh, I'm pretty good. Actually, we only have 2 seconds to get off the ground because you know, like, there's a lot of stuff.
Alright.
Floor's Lava. That counts, I would say.
Well, it's technically water, so you're very safe from...
Hold on, let me just cut right there. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and we're already back on the video.
This is actually a W strategy, the water. Do you think the water counts?
No, but I'll give that one to you. Cause we...
No, actually, you know, how about this? We started over. Well, not the whole video, but like, we just start over. Alright, see, where was I? Alright, I'm saying Floor's Lava.
Floor's Lava. My bad. Banana. Treehouse floor does count. Like, if you touch it, yeah. I mean, this doesn't count. I mean, you can touch this. Many people.
You know what you should do?
What?
When the person says Floor's Lava, they say, you can't touch this certain thing.
Oh, yeah.
Like, kind of like Monkey on the Shelf. Like, oh, I'm going to delete that.
Yeah.
And by the way, can you just, like, camp on stuff without, like, cheating?
I mean...
Well, let's not do that.
Yeah, let's not camp. You can only stay on the same thing for, I would say, 3 seconds. Like, if you stay on it for, like, a amount of 10 seconds...
I was on here for 3 seconds.
No, 10. But, don't you dare say Floor's Lava when I'm in the middle of nowhere. La-da-dee. Don't you say it, because I don't know.
Floor's Lava.
Oh, by the way, you only have to wait 5 seconds to get off the ground again. I think I did that. I slipped, but I touched it.
Don't you dare say floor is lava.
Floor is lava to Doug the Bug too. And you cannot touch gazebo. Like gazebo.
I'm on here.
If you say walls when you're doing it, I'm out. I was on the wall.
If someone says trees, I'm about to say, wait, listen, what do you want to like delete that I can't jump on?
Like for the whole video.
Yeah, kind of like Monkey in the Shelf, like you can delete one thing.
For the whole video, you cannot touch gazebo. Like you can't even touch nothing on it. Can't even go on it. That's lava. If you touch it, you automatically lose. But
Like gazebo?
yeah, you can't even touch it. Like can't even.
What, this thing? What's a gazebo?
You don't know what a gazebo is? It's a whole house. But anyways, guys, hope you guys like our YouTube channel so far. And whoever's my 30 subscriber, I'm gonna bomb their house. So.
Floor's lava. You cannot touch sirens.
Yep. Almost got cooked. Almost got...
Don't say floor's lava. Please.
Floor's lava. You cannot touch. You cannot say tree.
No. Would you give me 3 seconds, please?
That was not 3 seconds.
I'm sorry. Floor's lava. You cannot touch.
Yo, who's in the
brown?
Noah VR is in the code.
Floor's lava. You cannot touch the color brown.
Oh.
Smart idea.
Yo, who's that?
You spelled the name wrong.
No, that's Noah VR. He joined, I saw it, and then he changed his name. So, Noah VR, stop ruining our video right now. So, do you mind leaving, or you could be in the video? I don't know. Floor is lava, and you cannot touch stump.
God.
You're lucky. Floor is lava to Doug the Bug, and you cannot touch the ground.
That's literally what floor's lava is.
If you say floor is lava to me, I'm out.
Floor's lava, you can't touch the color brown. I just think you're like struggling. Please don't say brown.
Floor is lava, you cannot touch the color brown.
I'm at the goal. Gotcha.
Let's go to canyons. Let's go to canyons.
I made it.
Let's go to canyons.
All right.
Okay, we're in canyons.
Don't say
By the way,
yet.
floor is lava, you cannot touch the color orange. The ropes, if you want to do the ropes, it's yellow, even though it doesn't look like yellow. Who just almost died?
Who the hell is this alien?
Anyways, let's just keep on going in the video. It's Noah VR.
You cannot touch the wait, floor's lava, you cannot touch the color canyon. I don't give a I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright, listen. Floor's lava, you can't touch the color black.
Black?
Actually, floor's lava, you cannot touch the color, cannot touch the color, how am I supposed to survive? Wait,
Yo, you're in a video. So by the way, if you don't know, that's Noah VR. Okay, what color can I not touch again?
Black. Hey, stop my line. All right, black.
Okay. You guys cannot touch the color red, and the floor's lava.
Bet. Wait, what color can I not touch? Red. Okay.
By the way, you have to stay off the ground for 5 seconds. And you only have 3 seconds to get off the ground.
I swear to God, whoever tagged me.
That was Noah VR. Or 1.5 VR. If I'm correct.
Why are you mad at me?
Floor is lava and you cannot touch the color blue.
Wait, pause. Who is that? No, oh my God, that's blue.
Remember when we played with him Monkey Blocks yesterday?
Oh yeah. What's up, Top Hat? It's me. Who? Alright.
Okay, who's gonna get floor's lava next? I'm scared.
Alright. Floor's how do you know me? You cannot touch the color brown. Oh my God.
Oh, hey. I touched the blue. Hey, Noah, if you touch the color, you're out. You're out. And then I win. Well, I don't win.
You just touched brown. I don't know if I cut off. Yeah, but you touched it.
So me and you. Yeah, so me and you, Orlando, that's it. So ready? Cannot touch the color green. And the floor is lava. This is basically like the color challenge.
Me? Yeah. Wait, does this start at the ground?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh, I thought that was the ground.
Oh, does that mean I win?
Grounds and canyons.
Does that mean I win?
He's touching the ground, so he's out. Yeah, but there's too many grounds and canyons. Wait, but what color can I not touch?
You're out, so. Did I win?
Wait, yes, follow me. No, I'm not out. What color did I not What color can I not touch? Let me pick the map. Follow me. I know exactly what to do.
Last map, and then. You're out, Noah. Remember? You touched the color.
Yeah, but it's restarting now.
Oh, okay. The last map.
Playing tag while we're doing the floor's lava.
Oh, okay. Tag floor's lava. But by the way, you cannot.
No,
But now we can. We don't have to say touch the color. We have to remove an object. Remember earlier?
Okay. Yeah, guys. Today we're playing Gorilla Tag. Like purple and red.
Ready?
It's purple and purple. Purple?
Yeah. Ready? Okay. Who's gonna say floor's lava first? I might.
Alright. Wait, since I'm I should do it. And then whoever I tag, then yeah, they do it, and then yeah. Alright. Floor's lava, you cannot touch the color black. Oh my God, I'm black.
Okay, he lost. Kieran?
Yeah, we still saw you. Oh shit, we're dead. Yeah, you are dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah. Where are you going? I'm out.
Hey, look at me. This is smart. Shoot.
Play a little game. Mister, do you got any games on your phone?
So now what? We didn't touch the color black. We didn't touch the color black for 5 seconds. I mean, yeah. So now what? Now what?
Wait, yeah, but here. Wait. Noah VR. Noah VR. Technically, you are out since I did the call. So you touched the ground. So You're gonna get reported. What are you talking about? People are gonna report me. To the ground, no VR. I'm gonna attack people.
Okay, so what are you gonna remove for an object and what so what's the color that I cannot touch and its floor is lava? Which one?
Okay, the floor is lava and you cannot touch the color gray. Oh my god, yo, you're supposed to, I have to run up this black thing. Even the ground is gray. Well, I can only touch the color. I can only touch the color. Alright. I'm on that's gray. No, you should. I can only touch. You should. I can't touch the color. Oh. Nah. Oh god. Restart. The floor is lava and you cannot touch the color orange. You can't touch the color orange. And no VR, by the way, you still haven't tagged me.
Hello, how you doing, Ma? How you doing? Hey, what? What is that? So guys, it's gonna be me and then I'm gonna end the video.
Alright, GG.
Wait, it's my turn, remember?
No, this is sportsmanship.
It's me, it's you, then him, then me. And then I'm gonna end it because
there's no turns, right?
I have to end the video though. It's too long. Because my thing has a long thing and I didn't get it. Okay.
Alright. What are you gonna do?
You cannot touch the color. White and yeah. Forza. No, I saw Noah VR touch the ground. He touched the ground.
Oh, wait, we're starting already?
Yeah, he touched the ground.
The color was white.
No, he touched the ground though. The floor is lava and you cannot touch the color white.
Then don't tag him.
Oh.
I'm fire rating. If we don't do nothing in 5 seconds, I will beat your eat.
You know, I just gotta end outro. Guys, come here, everybody come here. So, okay, so, Oski VR, Mando VR, and Noah VR, we're out. See you guys later!